Can't understand a website because it's in another language? Here's how to translate any web page instantly in Chrome. In less than a minute, I'll show you how to make Chrome automatically translate websites into your language. In less than a minute, I'll show you how to make Chrome automatically translate websites into your language. This works on almost any web page, and once you set it up, Chrome can translate pages automatically for you. First, open the web page you want to translate inside Google Chrome. Now here's the setting most people never notice. Go to the top right corner of Chrome and click the 3 vertical dots to open the menu. From the menu, click on Settings. Once the Settings page opens, look for the Languages section. Inside the Languages section, you'll find Chrome's translation settings. Here, you can add the languages you want Chrome to translate automatically. This makes translating websites much faster later on. Now go back to the web page you want to translate. Click the 3-dot menu again, then choose Translate to your language. In many cases, Chrome will detect the language automatically and show a pop-up asking if you want to translate the page. Just click Translate, and the entire page changes into your language instantly. And that's it. Now you can read websites in almost any language directly inside Chrome. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Then